if you drop a needle in a haystack. Some help is welcome. This also applies to engineers looking for potential problems. More bandwidth and a higher sample rate. Just create more data. If only there were oscilloscopes with powerful analysis options.
Fortunately, there is a unique post-processing platform, allowing you to quickly pinpoint problems in your design, collect statistics, or even perform a mathematical analysis to pick up details that your eyes have missed. Gain in-depth insight into your design. Go the smart way of Teledyne LaCroix and contact the experts in test and measurement.